Simple slicing and serving, easily cut through pizza pies or desserts with a simple rocking motion and then slide the blade under the food to release it from pans. Smart design, BPA-free cutter is made of durable stainless steel with a sharp edge and an ergonomic handle for comfort in the hand. Blade cover, ensures safety when not in use and protects the blade edge when stored away. Substantial size, measures 13¾ inches long by 4 inches wide by 1 inch high to cut through large pizza pies, quesadillas, brownies, and more. Easy care, dishwasher safe for quick, thorough cleaning.
Nhigh Cocky Crinkle Cutter with Protective Cover, Crinkle Cutter for Veggies, Potato Carrot Chip Vegetable Crinkle Wavy Chopper Cutter. Crinkle Cutter Size. The Crinkle Fry Cut Knife Blade is 3.74 x 2.75 inch grip length.